Hello students, now we'll solve the second part of exercise, second question of exercise 1.4, and here we have to verify that a divided with b plus c cannot be equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So now we'll verify this later. First of all, I'll verify this so that you can understand it clearly. As I told you, a will be copied as it is. It isn't divide. We can write this like 1 upon b plus c. This is our left hand side, a upon b plus c. This we can write like a multiplied with 1 upon b plus a multiplied with 1 upon c. Now a is common, you can take a common outside. Inside there remains 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. So you can take the LCM. BC is the LCM, then BC times plus C B times. So this will be there. Are they equal? A upon B plus C, and this is equal. This is not equal. So they also cannot be equal. Now we'll verify this. We wrote this A multiplied with 1 upon B plus C. So we'll write this left hand side as A means 12 divided with B plus C minus 4 plus 2. So that will be, first we'll subtract the terms 4 minus 2, and then we'll put the sign of the greater number, means 4, and in the numerator 12 as it is. 2 6 times and minus sign, so minus 6 will be our left hand side. Now we'll solve for right hand side. This is the right hand side, so we'll write this as 12 multiplied with b plus c. B plus c we know that it's minus 2 divided by b multiplied with c minus 4 multiplied with c, that is 2. Minus minus gets cancelled out, 2 and 2 also gets cancelled out, and 4 3 times. So right hand side is 3, left hand side is minus 6. They are not equal. Now we'll solve this part. We'll again solve the left hand side. Left hand side will be a, that is minus 10, divided by b plus c, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Left hand side will be minus 5. Now we'll solve for right hand side. Now for right hand side it is minus 10 multiplied with b plus c. B plus c is 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided with bc. B and C 1 multiplied with 1, that will be minus 20. These two are also not equal. So hence we verified that this left hand side cannot be equals to the right hand side. Thank you.